Well, today guys, I'm having trouble with my air conditioner. It was working last night, then all of a sudden today I tried it and it's just not working, just blowing hot air. And I noticed the compressor was not engaging. So there's a few things you can do to double check or troubleshoot everything. By the way, this is a 2001 1500 heavy duty Silverado. And there it is. Not much to it, but it's mine. Bear with me a minute. I'm going to flip the screen around and show you a few things.